So the first thing we're going to do is just take one of these glass and we're going to use these pine cones. I'm going to place it inside. Try to use a small one instead of the big ones. Try to get the small one like I'm going to do it in the other jars. Then after you fill it up, I'm going to put some tape in the middle like that. And then the reason that I'm putting this tape is because when I flip the cup over, you don't want it to fall. So it could stay into place like that. Then go ahead and put some hot glue and attach another glass on top. And then you're going to take more pine cones and place it here. As you can see, I used the small ones, which you should use because it looks better. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on top of the glass, and we're going to use this little plastic container and place it on top. I'm going to take some floral foam and put some hot glue, and we're going to attach it right on the side, and we're also going to attach another one on the other side. So we're going to do that until we use all the way around that we fill the whole thing. Once you fill up the whole thing, I'm going to take these few little branches and I'm going to place it in the middle like that and just attach it into place, and then continue cutting little branches and placing it all the way around just to fill up the whole thing. I'm going to use this rock to place it inside the floral foam on the side just to cover the floral foam so it won't show. Then go ahead and grab your flowers. We're going to place a few flowers on the side. We're also going to do some red. You could do any color that you guys would like. Then for the back one, if you want to make a taller version, just go ahead and take this stick, place it inside, and then just cut it to whatever size or how tall you guys want it, and then just place it in the floral foam like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This came out so cute, and I think it can be for any party decoration. This can be for a wedding. You can also leave it without the pine cone out. You could put light inside. Those candles that are battery operated, you could also place it. You could place flower around it. It's up to you. I'm giving you the idea, and then you guys decide how you guys want to do it or how you want to decorate it. Now we're going to use one of these glass from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some hot glue around the glass. Just make sure to put enough to attach another glass we're going to take and then attach it upside down like that on top. After you attach it, you're going to take your spray paint. I'm going to use the black spray paint. You could use any color that you would like. I'm going to use another glass to make a smaller version, and I'm also going to spray paint it in black. Then go ahead and take your floral foam and just cut a piece, not too thin and not too thick, just a little bit like that. Then I'm going to take two of these leaves, and I'm going to attach them together like that, and then just wrap it around like that with the metal string. Then after that, I'm gonna take my floral foam and I'm going to attach the leaves in on top like that. Make sure to attach it with hot glue for better attachment. Then after that, I'm gonna take a flower and I'm going to take my hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue in the flower and then attach it to the floral foam just like that. Just place it inside. Then I'm gonna take two more little flowers. I'm gonna place on each side. So I'm going to place one on this side, and I'm also going to place another one in the other side like that. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around, and I'm going to take my hot glue and make sure to put enough hot glue before you attach it, and then just go ahead, attach it and hold it into place until it attached perfect in the middle of the both glass. Then after that, I'm going to take a small flower just to cover the floral foam at the top and just put a few of them at the top. Then I'm going to take the other one, and I'm going to use this candle holder from Dollar Tree. It's gold, but I want to make it shiny gold, so I'm going to spray paint it in gold again so it could look like this. Then I'm going to take my hot glue, and I'm going to put hot glue around it too, and then I'm going to attach it to the top of the glass like that. So I'm going to continue doing the same thing to the smaller version as well. For this one, if you don't want to use it with the leaf, you could also grab other color branches and just mix it in whatever color you guys are doing. Just mix it up like that and attach them together. Then put some hot glue, and you're going to attach a flower in the middle like that. You could do any color that you guys are doing. Then go ahead and take a tiny piece of the floral foam, put some hot glue in the flower, and then attach it into place like that. And here you can leave it as that, but I'm going to put two green on each side like that, two little green branches like that, or you could just leave it at that. Then go ahead and place some hot glue and then attach it to the middle of the glass like that. Then you could do it with candles. So I'm going to place the candle on each one, or you could use one of this little round mirror and place it on top, and then I'm going to show you. This is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is how it turns out if you use the longer candle, which I think it came out so beautiful and looks great for any party decorations. And this is how it looks if you use it with the smaller candle. You decide. I'm giving you the idea. You will decide which one you will like. And then this one is just with a bigger candle that you guys can place it like that, which I think this one came out so beautiful and I like it very much. And this one is just a smaller version, so you decide which one you like. Please, guys, let's not forget to like and share and comment. This is the way that you guys can help me grow this page. If you guys want me to create more DIY, make sure to do that. I'm gonna take this wine glass of spray painted in gold. Then I'm gonna take another glass, put a little bit of hot glue, make sure to put enough, and then attach a flower. Then put it on top like that in the top glass. Put some water, and then put this floating candle on top. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy and super cute. This one you can use it for home decor or you can use it for party decorations. I'm gonna give you different ideas, so many ideas that you guys can do. So just stay tuned. So now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this candle holder and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it. Then I'm gonna place this little glass cup or plastic cup and then put a candle holder on top and we're gonna spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to put flour around it. This is pretty simple, like that. And then put the candle on top. And there you have it. You can use this for a wedding decoration. So place it around the table. You can use it for home decor. It's up to you what you guys want to use it for. I think either way, it will be super cute. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab two of these wine glasses, spray paint them in silver. Then I'm going to take this mirror and then attach the wine glass on top like that. I'm going to put my hot glue and attach another one in there. Place flour in there and make sure to place flour all the way around at the bottom part and make sure to attach it. And then go ahead and take a candle holder, place it inside, and then put your candle in there and then put more flour around it on top of the glass. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super cute, super simple and easy that you guys can do at home, and it could be for party decorations, and I think it will look great as well. Now for the next thing, I'm going to take one of these glass from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in there. Then I'm going to take a round plate and place it on top, spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to take my floral foam. I'm just going to cut it into a little piece. Go ahead and grab your floral foam, put hot glue around it and attach it into place. Then go ahead and grab your greenery and attach it all the way around until you fill out the whole thing like that. Then after that, just go ahead and grab your flour and fill it up as well and just fill up the whole thing with flour. I'm gonna take this crystal garland and place it around, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple and easy that you guys can do at home. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this flour and place it all the way around it, then place a plate on top. I'm gonna take my full tone candle and place it on top, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Super cute, simple, easy, and elegant as well as you guys can do. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of these DIY that I'm showing you guys today. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this mirror. I'm gonna take the mirror out. I'm gonna take one of these little boxes and spray paint it and go put a little bit of floral foam inside like that. And then take the mirror and place it in there one like that. And then attach them together. Place the top on top. Put some flowers around it, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Simple, easy, elegant, super cute. This could be also for home decor or party decorations idea.